In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a customer's password on Shopify. Whether you're assisting a customer who's having trouble accessing their account or simply responding to a request for a password change, this process is straightforward and can be completed in just a few steps. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify admin. This is the central hub where you manage all aspects of your online store. Using your credentials, access your store's admin panel. If you're not already familiar with it, this panel gives you control over many aspects of your store, from managing products to handling orders and, of course, assisting customers. Next, head over to the Customers section. You'll find this in the main menu of your Shopify admin. Clicking on Customers will bring up a list of all the customers who have interacted with your store. This list is organized and easy to navigate, allowing you to quickly find the person you need to help. Once you're in the Customers section, the next task is to select the specific customer whose password needs to be reset. Scan through the list or use the search bar to find their profile. Click on their name and this will take you to their individual details page. Here you can view their order history, contact information, and other relevant details. Now to the password reset itself. Look for the More Actions button on the customer's profile. This button serves numerous functions that you might find useful for different situations. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Reset Password. This action will trigger Shopify to send a password reset email to your customer's registered email address. The customer receives an email shortly after you click Reset Password. This email contains straightforward instructions previewed within the email body. It's crucial to let the customer know they should look out for this message in their inbox or possibly their spam folder if it doesn't appear soon. Finally, the ball is in the customer's court. They will follow the link provided in the email to create a new password for their account. It's important to ensure they know how to create a strong password, encouraging them to use a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to protect their information. Once they've created the new password, they can regain access to their account. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to assist a customer in resetting their password on Shopify. It's a quick process, but one that supports your customer service efforts and enhances customer satisfaction by ensuring their shopping experience with your store remains smooth and secure. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.